Hey y'all, welcome to Zig's Woodshed. My name is Monica. Throughout the year, I do several art markets, predominantly in the spring and the fall. And sometimes I come home with a little extra inventory and I need a place to store it all in one spot, preferably in a climatized environment because I finish a lot of my products with oil and I don't want the oil to leach out of the product um, by storing it in a hot environment. So, fortunately, I have a very small room in my attic that is climatized. And I have a shelving unit that has some extra space on it. So I wanted to be able to utilize this space for extra product. And behind the camera is actually another little nook where I can store some shipping supplies. So I can also make this my shipping room and keep Zig's Woodshed kind of contained and keep it from taking over the entire house. So I made these little organizers, kind of tinker toy style, but they will be very effective for storing cutting boards up on their side, some serving boards up on their end so that I can maximize this space. So I'd like to just kind of walk you through how I did it, do a little montage, and show you the finished product. So come on, let's see how I did it. So as far as build, this is a pretty simple project. I'm using 1x2s and dowels. I cut the 1x2s to length, which in this case is 24 inches long. Then I am marking the 1x2s according to the appropriate length, which is either 1 inch or 2 inches, depending on which rack I'm building. After I've marked the location, I am using a punch to create a divot into the wood so I can take it over to the drill press, drill out the holes at the marked locations, and then after I've cut the dowels to the appropriate length, I am then inserting them into those holes, and I'm turning the 1x2s on their sides to drill 2 holes in each 1x2 so I can connect them. And then once they're connected, I install the dowels and the rack is ready to go. It's pretty simple. So there you have it. I've got 2 racks, one with cutting boards and oval-shaped marble serving boards, and then on the end I have the rectangular-shaped marble serving boards. I have room to spare on both of these racks, and I also have an opening over here where I can store additional product. I've got a shelf above and below where I'm going to bring in some items that are left over from last year, some seasonal items that I plan on that will go into my inventory for this fall. And so this will kind of keep everything corralled for Zig's Woodshed into a little corner of the house instead of it taking over. But I think that's a wrap for this one. And please comment down below. Let me know what you think of this storage solution, and like and subscribe before you go. Appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.